Hello, guys. Very good day. I hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to another video of Knowledge Power. Today, we are going to see how exactly we can install any file from anywhere in Windows, a part of Microsoft Store. Usually, what happens whenever you are doing this, Windows does not allow you to install any third party apps that is not available on Microsoft Store. So in this case, what happened? You need to go to your start menu, click on settings. Once you click on setting, you need to come to the option that is Windows Update. When you click on that, click on the option that is for developers. When you click on that developer option, you may see the first option that is install apps from any source, including loose files. When you click on, it gives you a warning that maybe the file that you are going to download it's harmful for your PC and can have a security risk. But you can click on yes if file is that important as you know what you are downloading, and then you will be able to download any file from any source to your PC. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.